All right, guys, you are here because you want to know how to fill in wood holes like this. This is an actual hole, and this is how the plywood was created. I'm gonna show you how this card goes right in here. You can see it. So I'm gonna show you the best way to putty wood holes. This is the best way. You don't need to go out and grab anything, especially if you're working with wood. I'm pretty sure you got wood glue. So let me show you the easy way to putty these holes. So you're gonna need two things: sawdust, and I have some here because I was doing my table. So you're gonna need some sawdust, and you're also going to need some wood glue. So let's get some more sawdust right there. Grabbing some sawdust off the floor. And then you're going to just add your choice of wood glue. This is a really good wood glue. And then you're going to just mix it up. Mix it up really well. Get as much glue as you can, because this glue looks so much like the wood. Once it's done, it'll definitely be a great alternative than running out and having to spend money. So we're going to make a nice paste with the sawdust and the glue, and then we're going to push that into this space here like so, and we're going to create a hollow hole that now will be filled with wood glue and wood chips, which is much stronger and much better than wood putty. And guess what? It's gonna look the same color as the piece because this is the wood from the piece. So, and it doesn't matter if you have pieces on the outside of it. Let it dry. Once it's dry, follow the instructions with your glue. However long it takes the glue to dry, that's about time when you can come back and sand it. And it's nice to have pieces on the outside of it because it'll make a nice, smooth, even finish once you're ready to sand the piece. And you can actually do this with your hand too. It's better because you can push the pieces into the actual hollow hole. And that is how you can putty a hole without going and running out and buying wood glue. That wood glue always dries up on me. I mean, the wood filler, it dries up on me. I waste it, and it's just, it's a waste of money. So I'm going to show you how to save your coins over here. So that is how you can putty a wood hole. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you share it and make sure you thumbs up the video. And if you are not a part of my family, join the family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you are notified every time I load a new video. And I will see you guys later, Gators.